Hey there, what's up? I hope you're doing really good today. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get started playing Axie Infinity. This is going to be a step-by-step tutorial guide to show you how to easily sign up and get everything set up so that you can start playing and earning money through Axie Infinity. Let's jump right in. So before we begin with the video, just a quick reminder, go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already, if you enjoy crypto related and tech content, and hit the bell so that you can get notified every time I release a new video like this. And also, there's going to be links to everything that I mentioned in this video down below in the description. So make sure to check that out so that you can easily navigate to the links that I'm going to be talking about in this video. Alright, so let's jump right in. So I'm going to be showing you how to set up so you can start playing and earning money with Axie Infinity. I'm going to show you how to do it on a computer, which I use a Mac. It's going to be the same thing for Windows as well. And I'm also going to be showing you how to get set up so that you can play Axie Infinity on your phone as well. And this will work for iOS and Android devices. So here we are at the Axie Community Alpha, and here is a getting started guide, which I will also link down below so that we can follow along the steps that I'm going to be going through in this video. And this is what I'm going to be using to show you these steps to get set up for the video. So first thing we're going to need to do is download a digital wallet called Metamask. Okay, so we're going to Google here and type in Metamask, and as you can see, it will be the first link. So we will select download now, and I am on the Chrome browser, so I will select Chrome. It's also available for iOS, for your iPhone or your Android device. So once you are here, go ahead and select install Metamask for Chrome, and then select add to Chrome. Go ahead and confirm by selecting add extension. All right, so once Metamask is installed as the extension, it should be over here. If you don't see it right here, just click on this little puzzle piece and just make sure you pin it so that it can show up here. Once you see it, go ahead and click on it, and it's gonna greet you with this message here to begin. Just follow the steps here. Here you're gonna have to create a portfolio if you don't have a MetaMask, which I'm assuming you don't. Here you can just select if you want to help improve MetaMask. I'm gonna just hit no thanks. Here you're gonna create a password. And there you go, your account should be created. And here you have to write down the secret backup phrase. Make sure you write this down because this is very important in case you ever forget your password to your MetaMask so that you can retrieve your funds. So make sure you write this down in a safe place. I'm just gonna take a picture of it on my phone, and it's gonna ask you to confirm the secret phrase. So just type everything back in. All right, once you type in all of your secret phrases in correctly, it should give you this message. Everything's ready. Okay, here's just a quick message. Go ahead and exit out of that. And here it's going to show you your MetaMask account. So I have nothing in here right now. So you will have to transfer some Ethereum into your MetaMask account. Now that amount is depending on how much you want to start the game with. However, you will need it to transfer enough to be able to buy at least 3 Axies to start playing. So depending on what the current price that you're getting started, what the price of the Axies are, right now at this current moment, they're about $300 to $400 each. So I would need to transfer minimum around 1,200 more or less to get started. However, I'm probably going to transfer in a little bit more. So you can either buy ETH here, you can do it with your debit card, or you can just deposit Ether if you have it on a different exchange or wallet. I'm going to just deposit ETH directly into my MetaMask account. So next up, step number 2 is we're going to need to download Ronin Wallet. So just select right here, Ronin Wallet. This is another Chrome extension. So we're going to go ahead and select add to Chrome right here. Add extension. And there you go. It's going to pop up here, the little R. If you don't see it, select the puzzle piece and pin Ronin Wallet so it can show up here. And then go ahead and select it. Get started, and here we're going to select I'm new. Let's get set up, unless if you already have a Ronin account. Here you're going to create your password, create wallet, reveal seed phrase. I'm going to go ahead and take a picture of it. We're going to go ahead and confirm seed phrase. There you go, your wallet has been created, and remember to save your passwords somewhere so that you don't lose them. All right, so now that we have the Ronin account created, now we're gonna go ahead and log in with Ronin Wallet. It's gonna load up your Ronin Wallet account. There you go. And confirm. And here it's gonna ask us to create a username. So there we go. We logged into Axie Infinity Marketplace. Now, next thing we're gonna need to do is transfer our Ethereum into the Ronin Wallet so that we can use it in the marketplace to buy our Axies. So here is our Ronin address so that we can deposit into it. So you're gonna go ahead and copy that address. Then we're gonna go ahead and select deposit to Ronin. So here's where we're gonna paste our Ronin address. There you go. I'm gonna select ETH. And then here I'm gonna have to put a smaller amount than the full amount that I have available. So the available amount is 0.9965. I'm just gonna put here 0.98 because there is a pretty high gas fee. So I want to make sure that you know what I'm gonna actually receive is gonna be less. If not, it's not gonna allow the transaction to go through. So I'm gonna put 0.98 Ethereum. Let's hit next. Okay, confirm. It's connecting to my Metamask wallet. And here I'm gonna go ahead and select edit because I wanna pay the lowest gas fee, so slow, and save. And then once you're ready, hit confirm. And there you go, deposit complete. Your action has been completed. It might take now some time for the transaction to process completely. And we can check that by viewing it here where it says view Etherscan. And as you can see, the block is still pending. So we'll just wait until this completes. All right, so after you have transferred your Ethereum from your MetaMask wallet over to your Ronin wallet here on Axie Infinity, then you're ready to purchase your 3 Axies, which is the next step. Number 4, acquire at least 3 Axies from the Axie market. So back over here, this is the dashboard. Right next to it, you can see Marketplace. Although go to account first, make sure that your Ethereum is showing up here, or AXS tokens, whatever it is that you transferred in. And then once you're ready, go ahead to Marketplace. And here I already have a couple filters here that I've been using. I already did purchase my 3 Axies. However, it does take a little bit of time to research and choose the Axies that you want. And I am going to have a link down below in the description of the video if you're interested in learning how to choose the right Axies to start off with. So over here in Marketplace, you can search Axies through different filters. Although if you're new to this, you may not completely understand what this means right now at the moment. So do a little bit more research. And it also depends what your purpose for the game is. If you're looking to breed, if you're looking to play, if you're looking to farm, or if you're looking to play player versus player. So those are all decisions that are going to determine which type of Axies you want to start off with. And here the filters are, you can search by class, breed count, mystic, pureness. You can filter it down by parts for the different Axies and stats as well. So very useful tool here once you start figuring out exactly what Axie you are looking for. Okay, so once you buy your 3 Axies, over here I'll show you that I already have my 3 inventory. I have 3 plant-based Axies because I am planning to breed them and you know, make a business out of this and resell plant Axies. I bought another one as well yesterday and I ended up reselling it within like the first hour because it was the first one that I bought. And I didn't know some of this information. So it was a Beast Axie, Beast Rimp, which is a good combination as well for battling. However, since I'm going to be mainly focused on breeding, I sold it and bought 3 plant-based Axies so that I can breed plant Axies because that's my plan, so that I can later on turn around and resell them. Okay, so let's continue. So now once you have your 3 Axies, step number 5 is we're going to go ahead to step number 6, which is to download the application Play Now so that we can begin playing the game. So how we're going to do that is at axieinfinity.com. So at the main Axie Infinity website. So this is the main website here, and you're going to see a Play Now button up here at the top right. This is where we're going to click to download the gaming platform so that we can play. Here it says download Mavis Hub for macOS because I am using Mac. However, you can download it for iOS, Android, and Windows as well. So I already downloaded it and installed it. So you go ahead and do that. Install the Mavis Hub. Mine is already downloaded here in applications. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up. And here in Mavis Hub, you will have to log in. So here you will have to create a new account with Mavis Hub. It's going to take you to your dashboard. And here you will select this blue button up here that says set up email and password. So now we're going to go back to the Mavis Hub. And now we're going to type in that same email that we used to set it up. Alright, so I'm logged in now. Now you're going to have to go ahead and install Axie Infinity game. So let's go ahead and install it here. So here it just gives you information about the space required. Go ahead and select start install. And installation completed. So let's close that out. And then we're ready to go ahead and play. So let's go ahead and begin playing now. Blood Moon Rising. Alright, so as soon as you log in, you're gonna notice here's adventure mode on the side, arena, a couple different settings down here as well. And then here you're gonna have Axies, teams, and inventory. So your Axies aren't gonna be showing up here just yet. You have to go to Axies, and then here you're gonna select sync Axie. Then your Axies will pop up here. Then you can go ahead and go back, and then we're gonna go ahead over to teams so you can set up your team. Select new team, and then here you're going to select which space you want to place your Axie in. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to set up the tank back here. So we're going to select this one back here, and you have to name your team. So there you go, save team. There you go, so we have our team ready, and now as you can see, your Axies are ready to play. So now we can go ahead to adventure. So looks like we have to start right here. This is the first level. And then it's going to continue going on this way. So let's go ahead and hit start. And the game is loading. So let's go ahead and play. Come on, come on. Yeah. Alright, so that was my first Axie game. So I'm super new to this. I just started just one day ago. I'm going to be making more videos on Axie Infinity, showing you guys the progress about different tutorials and also my breeding progress to see if it's actually a profitable business. Alright everyone, so that is it for this video. Comment down below and let me know if you are thinking about playing or if you're already playing. Don't forget to smash that like button if you got some value out of this video and it helped you out to set up your Axie Infinity account. And that's all for now. I'll see you in the next video. As always, peace.